Okay, so welcome back to chapter 5 of the Quarry. I'm like, white noise. I'm literally recording as much chapters as I can back. It's currently quarter to 1 in the morning on Sunday, but it's fine because, like, Monday, like, tomorrow, as I'm filming this, because it's bank holiday here in Ireland.
I couldn't find anything to eat. The kitchen's pretty cleaned out. Oh shoot, I left my bag. I brought you this.
Also, if you hear anything moving, it's my dog spread out on my bed.
Fuck, I don't even know what happened. It was all just a blur.
How are you feeling?
I'll be compassionate.
How are you holding up?
I'm... well,
No time to
I'm
be
just
better.
happy you're okay. Are you okay? I'm sorry, I just asked you that.
It's okay.
I love how I start filming
Alright,
these before I go to the bathroom, because now I have
What's
to
with
pee.
the,
we found another in Mr. H's office, so just in case.
what happened to the lights?
Not sure. Any better?
I'm doing okay. Kinda.
Wait, are they going to the radio hut?
Phone's dead. They're gonna try to send out an SOS or something. We're holding down the fort.
No, we're not speaking up, because we know. But we don't really know where Jacob is, to be fair. Or like where Emma is now.
Stay here.
I
Check
can't
it out.
exactly remember. I'll be reassured.
We'll be fine, just be careful.
Stay alert.
Girl, we have nothing else to be at but to stay bloody alert. But Caitlin's gonna be fine, like she's such a badass. Trying to put like my watch on charge because she is about to die in this whole process. I'm trying to not let anything die. I still don't know why like these people are trying to get us, because the way Mr. Hackett literally told us to stay inside.
No sign of them.
When you find them, hunt them. And keep me posted, Bobby.
This is like my least favorite fucking part again. This, but also, how does he not see her? And like the whole like having to fucking think fast with the interactions.
Oh, fuck.
Where the hell are you, Bobby?
Hey, so this may not be like the best time per se, but like,
What?
yeah, so like I was just, thinking about like the start of summer and when we first met and the start of camp and, well, like now that summer's over and, is that like the last time we're gonna see each other,
Sorry, Nick. What are you saying?
I'll be confident. We're not gonna be
Hey,
insecure.
don't worry about Caitlin, she's tough.
I know. I'm sorry, Nick. I'm just distracted. Just get through the night, okay?
Um,
Maybe I was misreading the situation back there, but kind of felt like a little bit more was gonna happen.
Well, did you want a little bit more to happen?
Duh, are you dumb?
Hey,
Jesus, Nick.
Sorry. I just mean, of course I wanted it to happen. I just didn't know if you did too.
that seems like such a long time ago now.
You did want it to happen though. You can tell me.
Yeah, I guess.
You're just saying that because I'm hurt.
Nick. What is going on out there, Caitlin? We have died. We've died.
It's okay, I got this.
Oh my god.
What happened? Jesus, where's the gun?
We gotta get out.
No, we have to hide.
He wants to hide.
Quick.
So the radio hut has like an actual radio? I thought it was just like for your morning announcements.
Oh yeah, yeah. It used to be more of a actual radio station, actually. I mean, it is still technically, but nobody brings their radio to camp anymore.
Yeah.
It's weird, actually, that there used to be kids with their radio and their portable CD player and everything, and nowadays everything we need is on the phone. But Mr. Hackett takes it on the first day at camp so that we're not distracted by technology.
Technology, it giveth and it taketh. So is that something like that you want to go into?
Camp radio?
No, like DJing or music or something.
Oh, yeah, I mean, I like music, but I think I want to major in, quantum physics.
Wait, what?
Yeah.
Don't let him
You
get
don't
to you.
really
You can
seem
do
like a
quantum physics.
science guy.
Oh yeah, I mean, not here.
Have to find tarot cards.
I'm sorry. I'm so completely fascinated by this. What do you mean by not here?
Not here at camp. I do that at home, and then here I
You're a wise cracking smartass?
that's a little
You leave
harsh.
my man to him
No?
alone.
Okay, so maybe I was a little nervous when I arrived in an uncomfortable social situation, and I overcompensated a little bit by making a bunch of jokes.
You played into it.
Yeah, I mean, people kind of enjoyed the blasé Dylan.
And do you enjoy the blase, Dylan?
What is this? Fucking interrogate Dylan Day.
Not yeah, like whatever, man. It's pretty cool. It's fine. I like Dylan.
Well, it's nice to meet you, Dylan. I'm Ryan. Well, actually, I'm let's get the fuck out of here, Ryan.
Yeah, I like him. That makes a lot of sense.
I'm just gonna walk around. Don't mind me, Ryan. I always felt like this is where we were with Emma and Abby. Um, I wonder if there's more to see with Dylan than what there was with
Oh,
Abby.
something like that could really take your hands off.
What is this doing at a kid's summer camp?
I don't know, man. It wasn't here over the summer. I mean, if it was, then we would have noticed that, right?
Well, whatever it was trying to catch, you can't now.
Ryan, stop fucking waiting. You go off and do whatever. Like, I'm on a bit of a mission here. Um, Ryan, you wanna push in this thing? Fucking got a tower card, please. Probably can't go up to like all the cabins. So I'm just gonna test for one. You know. Ryan, I'll interact with you in a minute.
Huh.
How much evidence is that now? So how many clues have we got? Oh, she's gonna be fucking delighted. I have two. Okay, so we get in. This was in. Yeah, okay, right, I'm going back.
All good?
All good?
Oh, this place is kind of a dump, huh?
Okay, when I was a camper here, it was barely working. It hadn't been used for years, and it took me a really long time actually to get this place cleaned up and looking the way it is. So
And it's
I'm sorry if it's not
fabulous,
up to your
Dylan.
standards, but I've been putting in a lot of TLC.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Let me get this set up. All right.
Anything over here we can use?
The power tools? No. That's Mr. H wanted more storage, so it's kind of how he lets me keep the station going.
Gotcha. So, how far does it go?
Oh, well, it was designed just to broadcast to the PAs around camp for announcements and to, portable radios and whatever. So I think the range is about a mile.
Yeah, it'll be
How do you
interesting.
even know
We're not
all
gonna be
this
mean
stuff?
to Dylan.
I just kind of picked it up.
The technical stuff has always been a little hard for me to get a handle on.
Well, if you like, I could show you the ropes.
Like a class?
Yeah, it's easy. Like climbing.
Sign me up, teach.
Anyways, this thing's gonna need a bit of a power up, but that's where this comes in.
Dust magnet.
It's supposed to be a signal booster. It's kind of janky looking, but it's worth giving a shot.
So, we can actually talk to people with this thing?
Yeah, well, it's not a two-way radio, so, we can talk, but then the best we can do is switch it over to the receiver and see if anyone broadcasts anything back, which is unlikely, but...
Well, it is what it is, I guess.
Yeah. So, what should I say?
Just, make it sound urgent.
Okay. Hello, how's it going out there? This is, we need help. This is, we are counselors at Hackett's Quarry Summer Camp, and there's been a horrible accident, attack, some stuff bad here. We need your help. There is a swarm of bears, and they are everywhere, and there's these hunters too, and they seem to be shooting at the bears, but also at us, which is not good, and a few of our friends are hurt, and we are in desperate need of help, so please, there's vicious bears, and we don't know what to do, so please come help us. SOS, this is an emergency. Save our ship. Come on down, please help us.
Well done,
Did I
Dylan. I'm
do
so
good?
proud of you.
Was that...
Swarm of bears?
Yeah.
Herd of bears.
Yeah, I've heard of bears, but...
Oh my god.
Alright, I guess I should just, switch this over to the receiver and see if we get anything back.
Yeah, okay, yeah. I'm gonna keep an eye out while you do all this techie stuff.
Okay, yeah, sure.
Dylan, I used to be that person, but we are so fucked. There's something outside. We're just so fucked.
Check it.
I got a ping on the radio, but no response. I'm gonna head to
Wait, did he say lodge?
the other counselor.
I don't know. Hold on.
2 males in the radio shack near the cabins. Another couple unaccounted for. Copy that. Out.
Yeah.
Holy shit,
Totally.
they're talking about us. How?
Because we just told them on the fucking radio. Fuck. They know where we are, man.
We can't stay here.
Shit. Fuck.
Hey, let's stay calm, okay? Let's go find Caitlin and everybody, okay?
Okay, yeah. Okay.
We're just gonna ignore what we saw, right?
Why didn't you tell me there was something out there?
I wasn't sure, man.
Fuck, what the fuck was that?
I have no idea.
Ryan? Is it a bear?
I don't think bears can jump like that.
Oh, shit! What is that, Ryan?
Fuck.
What?
Caitlin, Abby, and Nick, they're coming up the path.
Oh, shit.
They're coming toward us. We gotta warn them. What about the PA?
Up top? Yeah, okay.
Yeah, we can tell them to hide or something.
Fuck, no! Oh, shit. Hold the button.
Caitlin, get into a building now. Do not come up here. There's an animal outside the radio hut. Just get into a cabin now. Go!
Oh, let's go, guys.
Oh, fuck, dude.
They're gone.
What now?
Yeah, desperate.
Is there anything we can do?
I feel like
know.
I'm
I don't
avoiding
know.
kind of being
It's just an
aggressive
animal,
or
right?
anything
I mean,
like
maybe we can
that
skip-
because like I feel like trying to like stay calm or as calm as we possibly can in this sort of situation is probably the best thing because I feel like if we make the characters aggressive, we might not make the best choices. And right now, it's all about making the right choices.
Well, yeah. I mean, if it has hearing like a dog, maybe we can play like a really high pitched feedback loop and just blast it. And,
Apparently, like,
I
eating
mean, it
some
would hurt
Pringles
like hell, but
while filming this.
Do it.
Okay. Okay, come on, Dylan. Let's do this. Come on. It's almost.
Hey, Dylan, just take a breath. I'm sure you can figure it out.
Okay, yeah. Right. There's something missing. What's missing? pulled the wire.
Fix it. I'll cover you. Do it now. Go, quickly.
My man fucking Dylan.
What do you want me to do? What do you want me to do? Oh, fuck, it's spreading. You have to cut it off. Cut it off. Cut it off. Shit. Fuck. Oh, okay. Just hang on.
Because like I know the game, I obviously know kind of what choices to make.
Are you sure?
Yes, fucking do it. Fucking do it.
Noise.
The wire. Get the wire.
What?
Get the wire. The thing. Get it.
On it.
Plug it into the thing.
Keep pressure on. What do I do?
The button. Oh, we blew the speaker.
It did the trick. Nice work, Dylan.
Oh, fuck my hand.
Right.
Bit of a delayed fucking reaction here, Dylan.
Why did you do that?
You told me to.
That was a bad idea.
Is it safe?
Yeah,
I
but
think
be
we're okay for
reassured.
now.
We ran into one of those hunter guys.
Ah, crap.
Yeah, chased us out of the lodge. I think we lost him on the way up here. You get a message out?
I think so.
Great. What the hell was going on at... Oh my god! Dylan, what happened?
Oh, I'm okay. I mean, I'm not. But it doesn't hurt.
Okay, you're in shock. Holy fucking shit. Did that thing do this?
No. Well, sort of. Caitlin, where's your gun?
I lost it. One of the friendly locals wanted to say hi.
What the fuck?
Did she shoot at us?
Who's there?
It's Laura from the prologue.
Who was she?
Should we follow her? Oh shit, Dylan, what is that? Oh my god!
If I was fire, it would be the rainfall. If I was a star,
I mean, nice fucking thing in the sky. And we're back to the old lady. Finish chapter 5.
Oh, you're back. Looks like that's one less vermin in the world. Let's take a look once more. The devil. Without restrictions, like a shadow torn from one's corporeal form. Pay close attention and act before the demons unleashed. Each of us have one. Even those who are pure of heart and say their prayers by night. Here we have the Hermit. With the Hermit comes isolation, loneliness, but reflection, too. Perhaps, given some thought, the Hermit who gives chase can guide you to safety. But that all depends on your actions, not his. I want to show you more. Would that be all right?
Of course, bestie.
2 futures to see, but only one can be seen. Make your choice.
Probably gonna pick the Hermit because we actually said like the whole thing about safety. Uh, my whole thing is like, I obviously want to try save as much as I can. Uh, this Pringle is so fucking good.
We spend so much time looking toward the future. It's easy to forget that the past holds secrets, too. Worth remembering that. So it's goodbye again. I'll be here. I'll wait for you.
Okay. End of episode or chapter 5. Um, Jacob's off doing his thing, so's Emma. Nick's injured. Dylan lost a hand. Abby, Caitlin, and Ryan are all doing well. Um, but yeah, chapter 5 is done, and I will see you in chapter 6.